What if I told you the most tender, fall-off-the-bone barbecue ribs don't come from a restaurant, but from your own kitchen? Today, I'm going to show you how Americans make classic barbecue ribs that are juicy, smoky, and packed with bold flavor. To make perfect barbecue ribs, you only need a few simple ingredients: pork ribs, brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and your favorite barbecue sauce. Simple ingredients, but when combined the right way, the flavor is unforgettable. Start by removing the thin membrane from the back of the ribs. This step helps the meat cook evenly and absorb more seasoning. Once removed, pat the ribs dry and get them ready for flavor. Now mix all the spices together to create a rich barbecue dry rub. Massage the seasoning generously into both sides of the ribs. Take your time here because this rub is the foundation of true American barbecue taste. Next, wrap the ribs tightly in foil and cook them low and slow. This can be done in an oven or a smoker. Slow cooking breaks down the meat, making the ribs tender, juicy, and easy to pull apart. After slow cooking, unwrap the ribs and brush them generously with barbecue sauce. Place them on a grill or under high heat. This step caramelizes the sauce and creates that sticky, smoky glaze everyone loves. As the ribs finish cooking, the sauce thickens and locks in the flavor. When you cut into them, the meat is juicy, soft, and packed with deep barbecue goodness. Serve the barbecue ribs hot with classic sides like coleslaw or fries. This is true American comfort food, perfect for backyard barbecues, family dinners, or game nights. And that's how you make classic American barbecue ribs at home. Simple steps, bold flavor, and results that never disappoint.